This is one of the new Metiers pieces. You could get this for your Labubus. Is this not a perfection? So this is the butter yellow. I definitely like this one. I like it, I like it, I like it. I'm gonna show you the 2 bags that she is getting. Is that not a match made in heaven, guys? Everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we got a coffee because that's the first thing I need in the morning. So today we're actually going to meet one of my subbies, and I think I have a lot of dates with you guys soon because I'm selling all my bags at the moment, and my husband is so kind to carry the bags. Of course. So cheers, and I'm really happy that they go to good new homes. And by the way, guys, this is the bag of the day. Isn't it cute? Need a little snack. A little snack? That looks good. Okay guys, so I just met one of my subbies and I'm gonna show you the 2 bags that she is getting. So the Lady Dior, and do you want to show me the other one? Look at this, guys. So these 2 bags go to her. Okay guys, and it is such a beautiful day, and I think this is Metiers. I think we already get a sneak peek at this year's Chanel 25A. It's my favorite collection every year. Can't wait to see the bags, but I thought I'm just gonna give you, let's have a look at the window displays. Yay, some bags. So interesting. I think they make this model in suede as well. Oh wow, look at this gold. I mean, the 25, I'm still not a fan of this bag, but the leather color, yes, that is pretty. And a travel bag. This is like a key ball, Chanel key ball. And we have a teeny tiny little bag, and Chanel is making bag charms now too. Interesting. So yeah. This is the sneak peek for Chanel. Look at this, guys. Some of the new Metiers pieces. How stunning is this? So guys, this is one of the new Metiers pieces. And it is the beautiful suede bag with leather. And I think it comes in a more rectangular version as well. But this pocket, is this nice? And they have a pink Chanel 31 as well, which I want to show you. But first I want the opinion on this Metiers piece. Look at this. This is a bright Barbie color. I think I saw a beige one though. And Louis Vuitton, guys. I thought we have to have a look at the Murakami cherry decorations because that's just too cute. I don't know if you've seen my latest vlog. So some people have already been complaining about the quality of the stickers on the canvas and the epi leather. So if you have a piece, let us know how it's wearing. I think this is actually embroidered on the denim, so that should be safe. But the stickers, I don't know if you can see that it's actually a sticker. Otherwise, I'm gonna show you the footage again from Harrods last week. So some people are saying it bubbles, it peels, so it's questionable. Oh, here we can see it. Here we can see it. So these are basically stickers. It's not the usual canvas print, like the World Tour Neverfull, for example, or even the cherry blossoms. They weren't stickers. They were properly printed onto, the canvas. Hello, cherry. So yeah, and even on the epi leather it's the same kind of stickers. Wow guys, look at the colors. I don't know if, let me try and lighten it up for you. Can you see this? It is really gorgeous. And guys, it's a bit windy today, so my hair is a little bit of a mess, but this is my outfit. So guys, look at this piece, and here we can see that it is a sticker. So I wonder why they did it. If you have more information, let us know. Let me get really, really close so you can see it's a sticker. That's the first time they've done this. So I'm really, really interested to see how it will wear. And with the denim, it is literally embroidered, so that's a safe option if you want a cherry piece. And just look at this, guys. They have the cherries everywhere. I would like to take a piece like this home. It's an art piece. Guys, so this is a Vivian, but look at this. You could get this for your Labubus. Literally. So this is my hand. It's the perfect size for Labubus. Oh yeah, put my Sky Panda next to it. Guys, look at this. Is this not a perfection size-wise? I love it. Thanks, Schnugger. And even a little camera, and yeah, so cool. Guys, look at this capucine. So it comes with little cherry charms dangling there from the chain. And how cute is this? So this is a denim piece, and this is a baby pink denim piece. That is a cute backpack. Hello everybody, and it's the next day actually, and it is super hot, and I think for the foreseeable week it's gonna be like 30 degrees. So yeah, now we're on our way to Selfridges, see what's new. I still got the same bag. Isn't she beautiful? The bag and the Sky Panda. Okay, let's head to Selfridges. It's just there, and it's so hot. Quick stop at Celine, guys. Let's see what they've got. Hello. Okay guys, should we have a quick look at what's new? So this butter yellow tilly is definitely new. Maybe we should try it on. My white one is still available, by the way, guys. And I want to see this new Alma lookalike. Okay guys, so this is the butter yellow. I feel like it looks a little bit lighter, more subtle in reality. My camera makes it very yellow. So it's a nice, I think this is the it color of the season, right? Butter yellow. You see it everywhere at the moment. And there we got the other bag to look at. But first, I think this is more the real color. That gives you a better idea. It's pretty. This one I saw on the website, guys. It's like an Alma. It's definitely Alma inspired. It's a classic monogram canvas as well, but I don't know why. I like the Celine one. I'm over LV monogram canvas. The Celine is obviously a little bit more subtle, but it's cute, right? I definitely like this one, but would I wear it? Would I need it? Maybe if you need a bag that's like indestructible, because this canvas is very, very durable as well. So it comes with a tiny strap as well, super cute. And I think it holds a lot, guys. And more Chanel. Look at this gorgeous suit, and it goes really well with these boots. And I mean, this is the bag we tried on. So we've seen this one in the suede leather version already. To be honest, I think the suede really makes this bag pop. The black one just doesn't look as special. And more Metiers outfits. And guys, look at this little vanity case, and I love the burgundy red mixed with the pink Chanel, guys. So these are the new colors. This is an XXL travel flap. This is a nice clutch as well. Lots of bling bling. Lots of cocoa handles. That is a beautiful Tiffany blue clutch slash shoulder bag. Really pretty. And more bling bling, guys. Look at this sequence beauty. Bottega, guys. I haven't seen anything interesting at Bottega in the recent months. Hey guys, quick stop at the row. So I'm super sorry, the lights here will probably flicker again, but they actually have this bag. And I always wanted to try it on. I think it's called the Bindel bag. I saw it on Lela Sophia's channel as well. And that bag is so pretty, so I feel like we should try it on. Here's my little bag. She's got lots of Bindel bags in different colors, so I would say let's have a look at all of them. Okay guys, so we got 3 different colors. This is melange brown, and to be honest, they almost look very much alike, but there's like £100 price difference because one is thicker leather. I always like the idea of just a Bindel bag. Many people, I think, would have an issue with it because you cannot close it. It's literally just, you know, an open hole. But I think, you know, especially in the beautiful suede, it would be a gorgeous autumn-winter bag. This is espresso and this is melange brown, so maybe there you can see the difference. And I think this is the thinner leather. Just need to make sure that my bag is still there. Okay guys, so this is the bag I wanted to see in reality for a long time. I think it was really difficult to get them for a while because the row is super in, obviously. So this bag, I don't know why I like it. I like it. But would I be worried about stuff falling out? Because there's no magnetic closure, nothing. So it's basically just gravity holding your items in. Do we like this? I like this. I think it's like £900, so I mean it's just, you know, a little bit of leather, so obviously what do we expect? But for luxury bags, I think, and for the row, because we know how much the row Margot, for example, costs, I think it's a good deal. It's really understated. Guys, look at all these amazing Loewe beach bags with the back charms there as well. It's super cool. I love those and they're really reasonably priced. Okay guys, so that was it for today. To be honest, I don't know if this is just gonna be a short video or if I will include our house tour finally because our friends are coming over for a week and I'm gonna have to tidy up the entire house anyway, so why not finally show you a house tour. This boutique here, I know they're resellers, but if you're really desperate because you can't get Labubus at the moment anywhere, they have everything. Look at that. So they are basically right opposite Selfridges. This is Selfridges and this is Boutique Bala. So they even have mokokos, but they're ridiculously overpriced. Have a look at that, £250 for mokoko. I think I got mine for like £100. They even have this one. I always wanted this one, but like £400 is ridiculous. I think you can even get this big mokoko on StockX for like £170. So, you know. But if you're in London and you definitely want a Labubu, you can come here. They got everything. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So cheers, need my morning coffee. And today we're gonna meet another one of you, another one of my subscribers. While we're, you know, in Central, why should we not have a look if there's anything new? Shall we have a quick stop at Pop Mart? I mean, you never know if they have anything cool. I'm still secret hunting, guys. I really still want the Winter Symphony secret. And guys, so this is today's outfit of the day. I love this little cohort piece. I love my suede bag. This is so comfortable, so pretty. I don't know why I fell in love with this bag. And we're gonna say my Ferragamo now. Oh guys, and I think the sale is actually on. There's even Chloe bags on sale. Okay guys, I just met Emma. Hi, do you want to say hi? Her outfit is so ideal for the bag. And can we see the little Labubu? Guys, can you believe it? She has the secret little Labubu. Guys, look at that. Is that not a match made in heaven? She was so lovely. I love meeting you guys. I always have the best experiences. And now let's go back shopping. Anything at Gucci, guys? You guys know that I haven't found anything that makes my heart sing, that gives me butterflies for a while. This is a nice color and a timeless bag, but still nothing I would invest in. Oh, it's massive. It looks huge on me. So that's the Giglio bag. Yeah. I mean, it's good for travel, I assume. It just gives me like vintage Gucci vibes. We haven't seen anything like this in a while, right? Yeah. How much is it? That's good. I mean, canvas is durable, right? Guys, do you remember I was talking about this when I first saw it on the website? I haven't really seen it in real life, but I love the mirror effect. I'm still thinking, should I get a sardine at some point or not? Same at Louis Vuitton, guys. I just haven't fallen in love with an LV bag for a long time. What do we think about Miu Miu, guys, and their back charms? I mean, guys, look at this. Back charm overload, but yeah, some of their models, I do like them. I can see the appeal. This one caught my attention. You know, from the back you don't see that it's a Christian Dior bag. From the front, of course, it says it. It's like a raffia version of the book tote, I think, of the small book tote. Cute little beach bag. Look at this. I have not seen this Dior bucket bag before. It's tiny. Guys, Chloe is entering the back charm game too. For anybody who's interested, I can't believe they even have one of these, you know, basket bags with the horse back charm. on sale. This is what Chloe's got on sale, 40% off. This one I like. It's really beautiful suede as well. So, you know, now is the time if you want a Chloe bag. Now is the time to get it. Even this bucket tote came out recently. Ferragamo is on sale as well, and Lona bags. So this is the brand of the Queen, of course. She loved her Lona bags. This is real crocodile. You can actually custom order them online as well. You know, if you want a specific colorway or mix different colors. This is very autumnal already. This always reminds me of the Chanel 22, of course, but this is beautiful soft suede. I've never felt softer suede. So the quality is great, and then you have the YSL logo. Okay guys, that was it. Let me know what caught your attention today. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same, you know, luxury disease. Bye bye.